let's see.
Yeah, this is also I like this, also this details in difference what we are having now. Generally we have the same opinion. This Bitcoin is absolutely bullish. Yeah, you see the slightly, you see the movements kindly a little bit different. I'm very euphoric. You are like, I have to say, you see very, very nicely, this euphoria. When euphoria takes over in a trader, then he sees no resistances anymore. Then he just sees like the next numbers, and you stay on the analytical path very nicely, very quiet, very rational, And this is actually, this is what financial markets are about. Everybody has a slightly little bit different kind of view spot, and that's making it very interesting because at the end, I don't know it. Juni knows it. Does also not know it, of course. No, but but that's the good thing, and we are following just we are just following like our ideas and so on. And I'm not sure if we got an answer or not, but maybe they also don't know yet exactly that the traders out there. Boiki is here. Good morning, Boiki, and all the others as well. Good morning. So if you have an idea, what do you think, guys? Write it in the chat if you wish. Um, when do you see Bitcoin at 100,000? Does it arrive there at all? Does it happen this year? Does it happen next year? Or does it happen never? Because and this is also interesting, and we should also think about that because it's not only like Bitcoin bulls, like I would consider us both now a little bit as Bitcoin bulls, Jenny, but there is also like the absolute like opponents which are saying, Bitcoin, yeah, it's everything hyped, pumped, nothing really behind. Bitcoin will be in a few years, it will be marginalized, like in zero point 0.0 whatever, dollar. And very extreme other sides as well. You see Caddy Woods and co. They see Bitcoin on over $1 million, and and others see Bitcoin on zero back. So that's really like this different kind of polls, like this is very interesting as well to observe. And everybody has some argumentation, and everybody has an argumentation where you can find always a little bit of something inside that could make sense, and that's really really incredible. And but for me, for example, I'm not sure how is it for you. Bitcoin on zero point 0.0 something, I cannot imagine somehow. Can you imagine that?
On zero?
Yeah, when that's it. There's really I lately read from several like kind of analysts or experts. They are seeing Bitcoin dropping to that. Actually, they are not that it will not make it a technology, whatever. It will be made
Basically to
forbidden.
disappear, or more or less.
Yes, to disappear.
No, no.
Yeah,
Far
and
from the other side.
they mainly argue like this, that Bitcoin at one point of time will be like kind of made forbidden by regulations to be traded and stuff like that. And this is their argumentation, what they're saying.
How they will
But I
forbid it?
yeah, I don't
When
know
you
as
say
well. I mean,
regulations, every country has different regulation. So how
yeah.
one country will forbid it for entire world, especially on the geopolitical drama today. If USA says we are not allowing trading Bitcoin anymore, China, Russia, and the East side will say, okay, we continue. So then we take it. If China says we stop it, America says you are welcome to trade Bitcoin in America, as it happened 2 years ago. China basically restricted or even banned Bitcoin mining in China. All the companies, miners went to USA, and US won a lot for their economy. And China lost. And the next year, China said, okay, we probably did mistake. Let's basically allow those miners to mine also in China. So, uh, because of the geopolitical situation at its minimum, I say that this probably is impossible. What could be potential risk in terms of technology is that Bitcoin takes a lot of energy, and it might be issue in the long run because of the lack of energy producing in the world due to rising population and needing for more energy. That could be some of the issue. But thinking about other technologies like AI basically consumes more than uh, entire Europe's 1 year consumption. So basically, it's crazy energy consumption from AI. So way more than Bitcoin. And I mean, they need to shut down everything if they will do it Bitcoin because of the technology. I don't think that from now on anybody can stop it. Like it's crazy. Nobody can touch it, in my opinion. Well, I don't argue for the crypto market in general because there are a lot of crypto that can be banned.